leaders. And I am for the people, from the people. So if the people choose Uno, I have nothing to say. I only can work with it. Because are the people them are my boss, and them choose Uno, so me have to just work with it. Love is love. One Jamaica, just continue to suffer them. Okay? I continue to run down the hospital then, continue to knock by bed. Oi! Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, Shaggy, if you no buy one more bed or one more machine, if you no hospital boy, if you no leave the government, make them do them work, the people of Jamaica say the government is doing a great job. So why you no interfere and make up buy bed and buy machine and buy them something there? Why not do that for? Why not do that for? Leave the man, them, make them do them job. Them do a great job. The Jamaican government do a great job by the votes of the Jamaican people. So Shaggy enough. Bounty Killer enough. Beenie Man enough. Go build studio. Go build bands. Go build entertainment center with the money to keep dance. Won't see Tufton do a great job. Won't buy beds for. Won't help out hospital for. Won't do that for. If the man them do a good job, won't interfere in the man them job for. Won't interfere for. If there is enough bed in the hospital them, won't buy bed for go. No one have put them, because them have enough bed already. So won't do that for. You, Shaggy, where you spend so much billions of dollars, I buy ultrasound machine and MRI machine for, if Jamaica need it, if the hospital do a good job, won't need it. Won't really need it. Won't need it. Me not understand. Won't need it. When the Lord the man them do them work be. People, you know, so now wicked when me really check it. Remember say Shaggy, I donate, and true them couldn't get none of Shaggy money for teeth. Then accuse Shaggy say my teeth him own money. You remember that? Come on for that something. Yo, have a good day, yes, sir.